Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how you can change your background to this without using green screen. Simple way to change your background on CapCut. And CapCut has made it easy for us to change our background without using green screen, and I will show you all the techniques and everything that you need to know about changing your background. And you can see I've changed this background. I use my mobile phone to shoot this video and then change the background. You look at me pointing at the background, it's just texting, so I'm just trying to show you guys how to do it. So we'll go into the video. You see my hand was shaking because I used my hand to record the video, and I did a screen recording so that you can be able to see. And if you find this video interesting, do not forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment, and let's know what you feel. You know, if you have any mistake, any question, you can still ask, and then let's see how we can help you. So first, this is my gallery. So I just want to show you everything that I did in changing this background. It's a beautiful thing. So this is my phone where I was recording myself before I went to import. Now I was looking for the background that I want to check. So now you go to Google and you look for background that you want, and it can be video background, it can be picture. So you can decide to use photo or video, anyone that works for you. You can get it and then make use of it. So I went and checked, and then I look at this one and I like this one to me, for just example, and I download it. And then after that, I went and opened CapCut. So my CapCut is open now. Then what I did, you first to import the image that you want to use as your background. So look at the image there. I selected it. I imported it to be on my first timeline. So that's the image over there. You can see it. Now I just want to stretch it to the level of the video I want it to be. So after doing that, you need to go to overlay, go to overlay and then get the video that you want to record, and you want to remove the background. So once you get the video, you import it, then you stretch it to the level of your background, then you push it, and then arrange the video to be ready to be on the same line with your background. So after that, you go to, yes, after selecting the video, you go to customize. So when you go to customize, click on that particular video. So when clicking on the particular video, you go to I was just adding the brightness so that I'll be able to see what I'm doing. So after clicking on the video, you go to customize. Then once you click on customize, you see auto background remover. You click it, then you see automatically the background will be removed. Can you see that? Then you do okay. And one thing I noticed is that when you are doing this background remover, I think it's good to record on yourself on the plain background. Yeah, I think that one makes it better. And when you record it and so many things at your back, and for mobile, I don't know. So when you record and so many things at your back, you have issue with removing the background straight, because, or even you have some things at your back, but you have to move away from the background. Don't stand close to the background that you are recording your first video with. So that is that. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video interesting, let me know, and then I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.